Welcome to my YouTube channel.
Today we are doing banking quiz in easy to hard level format. Let's start with level 1 easy. First question is, what is the full form of ATM? Options: A, automatic transfer machine; B, auto teller machine; C, automated teller machine; D, advanced transaction machine. You have 5 seconds to answer it. Correct answer is option number C, automated teller machine. Question number 2, which is the Central Bank of India? Options: A, SBI; ICICI; HDFC; RBI. Correct answer is options number D, RBI, Reserve Bank of India. Question number 3. What does PIN stand for? Options: A, personal info number; B, private identification name; C, public information number; D, personal identification number. Correct answer is option number D, personal identification number. Question number 4, which Indian bank is called banker to every Indian? Options: A, PNB; B, ICICI; SBI; D, Canara Bank. Correct answer is option number C, SBI, State Bank of India. Next, question number 5, which banking method uses mobile apps for money transfers? A, RTGS; B, mobile banking; C, demand draft; D, check. Correct answer is option number B, mobile banking. Next, level 2, moderate level. Question number 6. What is the full form of NEFT? A, Nationally Fund Transfer; B, National Electronic Funds Transfer; C, Net Easy Fund Transfer; D, New Electronic Fund Transfer. Correct answer is option number B, National Electronic Funds Transfer. Question number 7, which bank launched India's first payment bank? A, Airtel Payments Bank; B, SBI; C, Kotak; D, Paytm Bank. Correct answer is option number A, Airtel Payment Bank. Question number 8. What is CRR in banking? A, credit reserve ratio; B, cash reserve ratio; C, capital risk ratio; D, cash risk reserve. Correct answer is B, cash reserve ratio. Question number 9, RTGS is used for: A, real-time low-value payments; B, real-time high-value payments; C, offline banking; D, card payments. Correct answer is option number B, real-time high-value payments. Next, question number 10, which city is headquarters of RBI? A, Delhi; B, Hyderabad; C, Kolkata; D, Mumbai. Right answer is option number D, Mumbai. Next is level 3 hard. Let's see how many of you can answer it right. Question number 11. What is the full form of SLR? A, statutory liquidity ratio; B, system loan reserve; C, secured loan ratio; D, safe lending rate. Correct answer is option number A, statutory liquidity ratio. Question number 12, which committee suggested banking reforms in 1991? A, Rangarajan Committee; B, Narasimham Committee; C, Malhotra Committee; D, Roy Committee. Correct option is B, Narasimham Committee. Next question is question number 13. Which RBI governor introduced inflation targeting? A, Urjit Patel; B, Shaktikanta Das; C, Raghuram Rajan; D, D. Subbarao. Correct answer is option number C, Raghuram Rajan. Next, question number 14. What is a non-performing asset, NPA? A, asset with high returns; B, loan overdue more than 90 days; C, physical bank property; D, cash deposit. Correct answer is B, loan overdue more than 90 days. Last question. Question number 15. Which global norms control banking risk and capital safety? A. Basel III B. WTOC. GDP Model D. GATT. Correct answer is option A. Basel III. Comment how many of you get it right. Share your score out of 15 in comments. Let's see how many of you can score 1/5
And do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment with Verse for such amazing videos. Thank you.